Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be speaking about DevOps engineering, the concept of DevOps engineering. It's just going to be a short video. Okay, the concept of DevOps engineering came as a result of some challenges we had while trying to push codes to development, or sorry, to production environment. Normally, before, when you have a concept of developing any digital product, you speak with engineers, they get working, and this might take some weeks or some months, depends on the complexity of the job. And we have to wait when they till when they are done before you can start testing the codes in the production environment. And one of the challenges we've had was because uh, some codes that they tested on their local machine that are working fine, by the time they get to the production environment, they don't, and there are some issues, and we have to start debugging all over again, and this consume time, consume energy, consume a lot of resources. So what we came up with was, okay, instead of having to go through this, let's have an environment whereby while the developers are writing the codes, we can always test it immediately. And that was what led to the concept of DevOps. So the concept of DevOps is you write the code immediately, it gets tested immediately to know if there is an issue or there is an error. So if there is an error, the error gets worked on immediately. By doing this, we realize it saves time. And most times when you are doing this, by the time the engineers are done with their work, we can almost say the product is as good as ready, because most of the things have been tested simultaneously while the codes are still being written. So the concept of DevOps led to what we call CI/CD, which is continuous integration, continuous deployment, such that, okay, we are testing the features of the app immediately while the codes are being written, and it's a very beautiful concept. I'm going to show you a chart that explains this. So you can see this is a chart that explains DevOps. You can see the planning. You do the planning, you write the code, you build it, test it, and immediately you release and deploy it to operation environment. So the working of the code are being monitored in the operation environment, and if there's any issue, we can immediately uh, give a feedback to where the code was coming from, and immediately it can be sorted out. And this has really been very useful and made software engineering process so seamless. So these are some of the skills that you should have as a DevOps engineer. You can go through this. You see, as a DevOps engineer, these are the skills that are expected of you, and you should. These are the tasks you will go through as a DevOps engineer. Number one is, you can see, you have to ensure functioning of software platforms and other things like that. So as you can see, the concept of DevOps engineering is so good that it makes work seamless, easy, and it's so beautiful.